There isn't any Maxwell House instant coffee in this house.
Kidding.
Although we've had that camping.
Yeah, that's true. No, we buy when
I love it, but iced coffee.
Oh, iced coffee, yeah.
We grew up with it, but what we get now when we have something we have to do quickies is
How
the
do you get
Via.
there?
Watch, it sucks it up from the tube.
How to get up there?
Isn't that heat?
There's not going to be enough to put the top roll.
It's pretty.
Isn't that something?
Freshly brewed.
That you can actually say you used one.
I know, I'm so excited.
Cut the heat.
Everybody always asks to use them. No. I don't even, most of the time, I don't even look inside them. If I see the shape and I like it, I go, I'm taking it. I don't care.
Now
if
watch.
it's
Okay, it's the magic's about to happen here.
Can you see?
Yeah, I can see.
All right, still producing
All of a
steam
sudden
down
it's
below.
down. Right? Yeah, that's what it looks like.
Watch.
There it goes.
Here it goes.
Now that all the grinds will still be up above. Is that how it
Oh,
works?
for God's sakes.
So it goes up and it goes down.
The brands will be at the top and
Hmm.
isn't that something?
What do you call this? What's the name of this?
Hey, Doug, I know, I know the brand name, but it's
It's coffee. It's very, very popular.
The plaque. What's the plaque called?
After the Revolutionary War, with the British, with all their tea embargoes and stuff like that, we
What's the coffee pot called? Is there a certain name for it?
it's a vacuum.
vacuum. Thank you.
That's it.
Oh my God.